Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to invite others to join your live on TikTok. Firstly, open TikTok and plus the icon at the bottom of the screen. Swipe over the live option in the bottom menu, add a title for your live, then click on Go, tap Live to start your broadcast. Once you're live, look at the bottom of the screen, then tap multi-guest icon. You'll see a list of people who are watching your live, eligible to go live, or have requested to join. All you have to do is tap invite next to the person's name you want to co-host with. Once they accept the invite, they'll appear on screen and you'll go live with them and your live will switch to split screen mode. While watching your live, a viewer can tap the multi-guest icon and send a request to join. You'll receive a notification and can accept or decline. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.